traveling to Pakistan soon, and that's why I'm here shopping for my trip. But before all this, it's time to have a nice hearty breakfast, and this place is called Moose Coffee, and I've been meaning to try it for so long. They've got huge waiting lines when you come here. Luckily, we were able to plan ahead, and that's why we were able to get in on time. We had yummy, this was me and my husband, so we had yummy scrambled eggs with pancakes, coffee. What more do you need? Because this breakfast is going to fuel us for the day ahead. This was Manchester Arndale, and I don't know what was happening, but I just thought of making a video. This was some sort of celebration, and I don't know for what reason. If you know, let me know. Now we are out and about shopping for shoes, clothes, gifts for families, friends, relatives, and also something for myself. I really needed a pair of comfortable shoes for myself. After coming back from shopping, this was a whole day of cooking. Cooking for my husband because I'm soon traveling and I'm going to travel without him, as in I'm going to go early. So he'll be back home and I did not want him to worry about dinner. So that's why I'm cutting, chopping, and making food for him. The first dish that I'm making is chicken chapli kebab. It's a very easy recipe. I got all the things from the grocery a day before, and this is me chopping coriander and making yummy kebabs. I washed my hands before mixing all of these together, so don't comment down saying, oh, you've got dirty hands and you're doing it all with your hands. Please use gloves because the best mixing happens with your bare hands. This was half kilo of chicken mince, and this made around 12 to 14 chapli kebabs. We fried them for dinner and then I froze the remaining for my husband so that he could use it later. Time for dish number 2. This is chicken thigh, and I'm going to make yummy honey and garlic chicken with a little bit of gravy. Right now I'm sauteing garlic, finely chopped garlic, and I'm going to add mixture one by one. I'm going to show you as well. This is almost 1 kilo, a little more than 1 kilo of chicken thighs. I'm going to fry it on high heat and make it tender. So obviously this is the main ingredient, it's honey. I'm using this brand, you can use any type that you have at home. I've put like almost 1 full tablespoon of honey, some black pepper, some salt. Along with it will go a little bit of red chili powder and a little bit of, this one was, what was this? Cardamom. No, sorry. This was soy sauce and I'm just forgetting the name. Okay, it was cardamom powder. And after that, I'm going to give it a nice mix and it's almost done. Dish number 3 wasn't planned. This is banana bread, and it is purely because the bananas were going bad and I did not want to waste them. So I decided to make bread out of it. And also I was leaving and wanted to give a small treat to my husband. He likes sweet things, so I thought of making banana bread. And if you want the recipe, you can let me know. I will make another video sharing the detailed recipe, or probably just share the recipe in the description box or comment section. Do let me know. After putting my bread in the oven, it's time to check and garnish the chicken. It looks yummy and it's all ready. I'm chopping vegetables for my husband because he's on diet, so he wanted me to chop capsicum, bell peppers of all kinds, some cucumbers and some cabbage so that he could make it into a salad and use the chicken for whatever reason he wants. So right now it's chopping time and I'll chop lots and lots of vegetables. I will actually fill 4 boxes. You shall see that. As soon as I'm done cutting my vegetables, it is time for me to check the banana bread in the oven, and it smells, this time the kitchen smell really nice. And you will see that the bread is almost ready and it's time for me to take it out. Look, it looks so yummy. I'm not saying this because I made it. You can actually see the result, how moist, crispy and fresh it looks, and it was actually very yummy. So I decided to make a cup of tea and enjoy a piece of banana bread with tea. Obviously, I left the remaining bread for my husband because that's why I made it. I waited for the chicken to cool down completely before I stored them in containers, because storing hot food in plastic containers is cancerous. It's absolutely a no-no. So this was all cold, and I'm making 3 boxes and I'm going to label everything for my husband, put it in the freezer so that he knows what to take out and when to take out. Labeling saves a lot of time and makes it very easy when you have no time and you're trying to find something in the freezer. If something is not labeled, it takes a lot of time and you end up taking out the wrong thing and eating it. It was time for me to recycle all of this. I have been storing it for past 1 week, and since I'm traveling, I need to get rid of all of this. You know, I love recycling. I would want everybody of you to recycle if you can, if it's available in your country, because this is how you can save your environment. This was almost 10 at night and you can see I'm enjoying snowfall. This was my first snowfall of the season and I was about to sleep when my husband told me that it's snowing, and at that very moment I rushed down and you can see the happiness on my face while my husband patiently makes my video, and I'm so happy. I'm jumping like a baby and I was really happy. It really made my mood. I was very tired the whole day, but this particular moment made my day. Hope you liked my today's video. See you. Bye bye.